Hello everyone, this is lesson number 21, HSK 2, and let's continue to learn new words. First, it will be 说话,说话, to speak, to talk, to chat. Or 说 it's to speak, 话 it's speech. So to say speech or to speak speech, just to speak. Let's see. He's talking in the classroom. 他在教室里说话。他在教室里。教室 it's classroom. So 教室里 inside 在教室里 inside of classroom 说话 he's talking. 他在教室里说话 speaking in the classroom. Next one. Don't talk. I'm listening to the lesson. 别说话，我在听课。别 don't do something. When you speak with you don't do something like this. 别听 to listen, 课 lesson. So 别说话 don't talk. 我在听课 I'm here is 在 represent present continuous. So 我在听课 I'm listening right now. 听课 listening class. And you can say to speak, to talk, to chat. But mostly I think talk to talk. I think to talk. But sometimes speak also. Let's see. She speaks very fast. 她说话说得很快，快 fast. As you can see, 她说话 he speaks and speaks how 说得很快，很快. It's fast, but we need adverb, so we add here the 说得很快 speak very fast, or if it's slowly 说得很慢. So let's see. 他说话说得很快. You can also omit this one. You can say 他说得很快. Also could be, but you can also 他说话得很快 because we need verb, not a verb with a noun like here. 他说话得很快. 他说得很快. 他说话说得很快 also could be. Or you could say 他画得很快 also could be. 他说话的水平很高. So let's see. Next one, we chat together happily. 我们一起说话很开心。我们一起说话 we together 一起 together 说话 speaks we chat speaks 很开心 very happily 很开心 as you can see 他说话的很开心。他说的很开心 but as you can see 说话很开心 I think we can say here 他说话很开心 I think you can say I think I was wrong about this one. Let's see. 我们一起说话很开心 we together we chatting very happy 很开心 or you can say 我们一起说话说得很开心 like here. Next one, new female. It's a character represent woman, and all the another characters you can see it's another of something. For example, sister, wife, and so on. She is a female student. 她是一个女学生。she is 一个王。女 female 学生 student. So 她是一个女学生 maybe it's next one it's non male, so we can later we will see. And next one, my mom is a female doctor. 我妈妈是女医生。我妈妈 My mom, she is 女医生 female doctor. So doctor for women. 医生 it's I think it's first one. 医生 we can see this word doctor. 医生。我妈妈是女医生。My mom is female doctor. The waitress is very friendly. 女服务员很友好，很友好。服务员 it's waiter, waitress. But here is, I think, sometimes we can say, but if we emphasizing, we can add 女服务员 woman waiter because from this word you cannot clearly understand who is who, but 女服务员 you can understand. 很友好，友好 it's friendly. 友 it's a friendship and how is good, so good to be very good friend. Friends very friendly. Oh, friendship is good, so 很友好，很友好。This girl is very cute. 这个女孩子很可爱。This girl, because 孩子 it's a child, but 孩子 it's not clear when a woman. But here's 女孩子 girl. 这个女孩子很可爱 cute 可爱。这个女孩子很可爱。Next one is 男。Next one is 男 male. 男 as you can see it's on the top it's filled from where you can farm some grocery, when you can plant some food. And Li is a power. So when someone with a power on the field, I think it's male. But also could be a woman, but in ancient Chinese it was 男。He's a male teacher. 他是一个男老师，because again 老师 it's teacher, but you cannot understand which gender it is. But 他是一个男老师 it's a male teacher. 是一个男老师。Next one, the male waiter gave me water. 男服务员给我水，给我水。给 to give 水 water. So 男服务员this is male waiter and 给我 gave me 水 give me water. So 男服务员给我水。Next one, my older brother is a male doctor. 我哥哥是男医生。我哥哥 my older brother 是 is 男 male 医生 male doctor. 我哥哥是男医生 male doctor. Elder brother. That boy is very tall. 那个男孩子很高。Again, 孩子 it's just child, but here is 男孩子 boy. Male child. 那个男孩子很高 is very tall. It could be, you can read it naga or nega. It's depend on accent, on place in China. Next one, it's obvious 孩子 child. Let's see. This child really likes to sing. 这个孩子很喜欢唱歌。这个孩子 this kid, this child 很喜欢 really likes 唱歌 to sing 唱歌 or to sing a song, because 歌 it's a song, 唱 is to sing. 这个孩子很喜欢 唱歌 to like sing. Next one, my family has 2 children. 我家有2个孩子。我家 my family 有 has 2个 2孩子 children. So 我家有2个孩子。As you can see, child 孩子 and children also 孩子 because it's 2个孩子 2 child or 2 children. Next one, the child is playing in the park. 孩子在公园玩。孩子 child 在 at 公园 or public park or just park 玩。Here's, as you can see, it's written wander, but we need to read it war. Or we can omit R and say one, but here is we need to say because it's R here. War to play. There are no meaning, just pronunciation particle. 孩子在公园玩。Next one, she helps the child with homework. 她帮助孩子写作业。帮助 to help, 写 to write, 作业 homework. 她帮助孩子写作业 to make to finish to complete homework. Next word and last for today is 唱歌 to sing. 唱 it's to sing, 歌 it's a song. So 唱歌 to sing a song or just to sing. He's singing in the room. 他在房间里唱歌。他在房间里 inside of a room 唱歌 sing. So you can say 房间 room. Next one, I don't sing well. 我唱歌不好听。好听 pleasant to hear. So 好 is good, 听 to hear. So 好听 pleasant to hear. 我唱歌不好听。I singing not pleasant to hear. So I don't sing well, you can see. Next one, the children sing together. 孩子们一起唱歌。孩子们 children 一起 together 唱歌 singing 唱歌 singing together sing together 孩子们一起唱歌。And last one, she's happy when she sings. 她唱歌的时候很开心。她时候 when something so when at the moment of something 她唱歌的时候 so at the time when she sings or when she sings 她唱歌的时候很开心 very happy so she's happy 很开心。她唱歌的时候很开心 at the time of singing she's very happy or she's happy when she sings. So let's repeat all words from this lesson. First, 说话 to speak, to talk, to chat. 女 female 女。男 male 男。孩子 child 孩子。And 唱歌 to sing. So that's all words for today. I hope you to see in the next lesson when we start with 右边 right side. See you.